Class, are you ready to practice those Y's? Remember how Y has many jobs? Let's look at our poster to see some of the jobs of Y. Y can act as a consonant. If it's at the beginning of a word or the beginning of a syllable, it will make that y sound that you've been practicing since kindergarten. Yo-yo. If Y is in the middle of a word or at the end and it's the only vowel, it acts like an I. It can do short I if it follows phonetic skill 1 or 2, rules 1 and 2. It will make a long I if it's following rules 3 or 4. Then, if the Y is not the only vowel, but there's 2 vowels together, then it's going to follow rule 5. 2 vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking. And our last rule is that if the Y is at the end of a multisyllabic word, meaning there's another vowel that makes a sound, it makes a long E sound. Isn't that tricky? So if it's the only vowel, it works like a Y. But if there's another vowel, it can be silent or make a long E sound. There are a few exceptions. There are some times where the Y at the end can make a long I sound, but for the most part, if there's another vowel, it's most likely going to make a long E sound. Today we're going to decode a few words that follow our rules, and then you are going to do some writing yourself. So get a piece of paper or a pencil, or a piece of paper and a pencil, or a board and marker, something to write with, and get practicing. You can practice with me as I go through our first set of words. We have 7 words here. The very first one, I see another vowel in the word, and the Y is at the beginning. That lets me know this Y is going to be a consonant. I have the E, and then there's some guardians here. So my E is short. Y-e-l. Yell. Yell. Please don't yell. It hurts my ears. All right, I'm looking here. There's 5 letters, but none of the other letters are vowels. The only vowel here is Y. Oh, if there's only the one vowel, it's going to act like an I. Let's find out if it's a long I or short I. I'm going to write my little I there because I know it's going to be an I. Let's see. Are there any guardians? Yes, I see a guardian for a T and a P. 2 guardians. It will make my I short. So I'm going to make this beginning blend. Oops, I forgot to mark my CR blend. Crypt. Let's blend those sounds together. Crypt. Crypt. A crypt is a place where they could bury people. So that is the word crypt. Now I'm looking down at this word. It looks like I have a couple of vowels. I have a Y here, an E here. I know that there's a silent E. So this Y is going to be a long vowel. It's going to be a long I. If I have a Y in the middle of the word, it's going to act like an I. And since the silent E is there reaching over the P, he says, be a long I. Type. 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 I like to type a letter. There we go. I see another Y. It's going to be my only vowel. And when it's my only vowel, that usually means it's an I sound. If it's the only vowel, it's an I sound. And are there any guardians? No guardians. So that follows phonetic rule number 3. No guardians, long vowel. This word is by. By. I am sitting by my owl. Let's try here. Looking here, I have my vowels. Okay, vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. The Y doesn't even have to make any noise. This word is play. 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 Here we go. Let's look at this one. Oh, I have S-T and R. Two vowels. Oh, it's just like the one above it. Two vowels. I'll make that one silent. This is a long A. Stray. And down here, oh, I have a vowel here and a vowel here. In my words that have more than one vowel and the Y is not in the middle, my Y wants to act like an E. The Y is at the end and there's another vowel. The Y is going to act like an E. It's going to act like a long E. So these are my guardians, actually, for my I. So this is E. Jimmy. Jimmy, it's a name. Look at us. We can decode these words and find the vowels. And this time, Y acted like a vowel a lot. Okay. I'm going to give you some hints and have you write your own words. So, my first hint is this word is going to follow Y as a consonant. So it's following this rule. It's going to act like a consonant. The word is yes. Yes. Write down the word yes. Right. Once you have it, look up here. Remember, you can always pause the video if I go too fast. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Okay, our next word. My hint for you is it's going to be follow the rule with Y as a short I. That helps you know the Y is going to be in the middle. The word is myth. If. Remember, we're using Y, not I. Myth. If you can't remember, is made with two letters. Myth. Should we check it? Myth. M-Y-T-H. We've read some myths. Aren't they fun? Okay. This one will follow the rule that says if there's no guardians, it's a long sound. This time it's going to be a long I, like in fly. Okay, so we're following this rule. The word is my. My. Did you get it? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. All right. This one is going to follow that silent E, or not silent E rule, silent vowel rule. That when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and the second one is silent. So it's going to be the silent for the Y, okay? The word is pay. P-A, pay. Let's see if you got it. Boop. Pay. P-A-Y. The A makes a long sound, the Y is silent. And the last one I have for you is the word, oh, no, I have to tell you what. We're doing Y as a long E. So that means it's going to be a little bit of a longer word, and it will end with the Y making that long E sound. I'm going to give you a hint. The consonant in the middle is going to be there 2 times, okay? The word is happy. Happy. There, try to emphasize that middle sound. That sound in the middle, it's going to be there 2 times. Happy. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. If you got it all right, awesome! If you didn't, that's okay. We're practicing listening to sounds and writing the letters. How'd you do? I hope you did well. I will see you soon. Bye.